guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kiandra. Welcome. So in today's video, you're gonna watch how I get this lovely style and how I transform this old wig into this. So if you wanna see how I transform this wig into bangs and everything, just keep on watching. Okay, so we are starting off with this hair. So I've worn this hair like a couple of times, so yeah. So this hair has been through it, but she's still good, she's still living, she's still here. So I'm gonna be putting her on today, so let's see how it goes. So I kind of want to do bangs, but I'm not sure, and I do not want to do like any crazy glue on my hair, but I don't even have anything to slake down my hair, so I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I just got the wig grip gel, and I'm just gonna put it on my edges and everything. I'm also recording a TikTok too, so don't mind that. Brushing everything back. I am gonna put on a wig cap. This is the older wig cap that I have. It already has makeup and stuff on there. So I'm gonna just put this on because I don't want to do the super glued down makeup look. Well, I say makeup look, but wig. So I'm gonna just put this on and then put the wig on. Now let's put it on. Might need some more powder on there, so okay. So I'm just gonna use the Maybelline Sticky brush and just dab it on here. Okay. Once that is done, I'm gonna place this on my head. Let's see how it looks. So I want to go for the middle part, and this wig, every time I wear it, I always wear the side part. So I try to, do it already. So I'm gonna fix it up, clean up everything. So I'm gonna part it again just to see. This on this side. Okay. Gonna use my hot comb and hold it. And just hot comb it till I flat it out. Okay. Okay, so now that it's like hot combed a little bit flatter, and I can position it where I want it to kind of be. And like I said, I don't want anything too, you know, super glued down because I want to try to do bangs. So we'll see. So put it back, and I'm gonna put glue on my edges. So let's see. And this is the Kiss Almighty glue. Okay, so I know this is not the best thing, but I usually just get my rat tail comb and stick it in there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna let this dry for a bit. Okay, so the glue is basically dry. I'm only doing like one layer, so go ahead. Okay, so it's basically glued on. glitter on, on. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray her. And then I'm gonna put my elastic band on. And now we wait. Okay, so I took the bands off, and now I'm gonna see if I could do some bangs. So I'm trying to see how much hair I want to like pull forward. So and then start cutting. So I'm gonna do like the little curtain bang type thing. Forgive it, like a little bit of layers. Frame the face a little bit more. See if that works. Because this hair is like, kind of like I'm kind of liking it. And liking the hair. I'm liking it. It's cute. I really do like to use my hot comb as a type of styler because it's convenient. You can flatten your hair with this, well, straighten your hair with this, and also curl it a little bit, like give it some to your hair if you really want it to. So like I just turn the comb and it gives your hair like a little extra something to it. Let's see if you might see it. Mostly on the ends, but Give a little something extra. Let's see. Like I said, this is more, you know, heavy in front. So it's like thick in front and then it's like okay in the back. But yeah, like this. I like how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little something more with the hair and then maybe do something with my face and then come back. Alrighty, you guys, I am back and this is what the hair is looking like. Like, it is crazy. I really like this. This is like a big change for me. I haven't had bangs in like forever and I really do like the way this is like looking. The hair is still big, voluminous, like it's really nice. I really love how this turned out. It's cute. Yes, and especially for this to be like an old wig and being able to like revamp it up. So now it's like crazy because I've had this wig for so long and I like how this looks. So yeah, so I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and if you liked watching watching me throw on this old wig and transform it into something new, well, go ahead and subscribe and also like the video and also comment as well. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching and hopefully you guys have a good day or night, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.